everyone, this is Maria, and today we have another fun toy unboxing from the 99-cent only store. These are called Pikmi Pop Surprise Push Me Ups, and they look like ice creams, don't they? They're really cute. It says that these are for ages 5 and older. It also says here, there's a warning here that says, do not aim at eyes or face, and it says scented plush with confetti fun. And so these sound like a lot of fun. This also sounds like a recent unboxing that I did. So let's hope that these are easier to open. So let's get started, everyone. Oh, by the way, I paid $1.99 at the 99-cent only store. So let me find where we're supposed to open. Looks like right here, it says pull here. And so let's go ahead. So it says pull here, but I think they meant pull here. So let's go ahead and pull and unwrap this. And I think I already mentioned these are for ages 5 and older. There we go. We have it almost all the way off. Yay! So I love the colors on this package. The pink, the green, the blue, the yellow. So here we go. I'm going to point this down. Oh, okay. That didn't make a lot of pop. So that was nice, you guys. Sort of falling apart in my hand. And so, but it didn't make a loud pop. It didn't make a big mess. But we have all of these paper stars, the confetti. So there's plenty of that. Here's the collector's guide. And it looks like there are 12 new Ice Pop characters to collect. And then on the back, there's some rare ones, ultra rare. It says there's scented plush with confetti fun. Okay, so let's see what we have inside. So I see a little notch here. Oh, that is really easy to open. I like that. Feels like a little bean bag. Oh, how cute. Look how adorable. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. So it says here that this is Barney the Owl, and he is so adorable. Okay, so let's open up this little teeny tiny envelope, and it says here that owls always love you s'more. That is so cute. So now that we have the hang of this, let's go ahead and just give this a gentle push. I'm going to push downwards. There we go. And let's reach in and see who we have. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Now I want to say that the fabric is really super soft, and it's like it's filled with tiny little beans, like a bean bag. This looks like an octopus, doesn't it? Meet Neeble the octopus, and he is so cute. I love his little tie-dye fabric. And so let's see what kind of words of wisdom we have here. It says here, legs share a gelato together. Legs share a... So let's open another one. Okay, here we go. And let's see, what do we have? Oh my gosh, let's see. So here's the little notch right here. And let's see what we have. Oh my gosh, look how cute. I love this fabric. It's so cute. This looks like a penguin. Let's find out. So this is Spoke the Penguin, and let's go ahead and read his envelope. And so inside, Spoke says, chill with a sweetie. Chill with a sweetie. Isn't that cute? Okay, here we go. Are you ready? Here we go, you guys. Sorry. And so anyways, let's go ahead and find, where did he go? Here it is. Here it is. I didn't see it there for a second. Okay, by the way, I love this pink. Isn't it pretty? And so, there it is right there, that little notch. Let's see which one we have. Oh, look, this is a little fish. Isn't this cute? I love that they have these little strings too. You can hang them up somewhere. And he has a little horn. It looks like a unicorn horn. And so this is Nikki. Meet Nikki, and she is adorable. So let's go ahead and open up Nikki's envelope and read her words of wisdom. She says, you're the ice cream of my dreams. Oh, that is so sweet. You're the ice cream of my dreams. We have one more. This is our last one. So let's go ahead and open this up. Here we go. Here we go. I hope I don't knock anyone down. So let me go ahead and aim towards the back here, or maybe over to the side. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Hold on, everybody. We almost made it. Well, all of our little animals are safe. And so let's go ahead and check this one out. Let me see, where did it land? Oh my gosh, I couldn't see where it was, and it's hidden right back here. Come on. Okay, so let's open this up. I didn't see where it landed, and so I think this is so pretty. These would be really fun for birthday parties. And so you could put these in little birthday bags. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I love the colors. I love the colors. So this is Peapod the Seal. So let's go ahead and read the letter from Peapod the Seal. And so let's go ahead and open this up. And he says, "Don't ever leave me. Don't ever leave me. Don't worry, Peapod. We won't leave you." Look how cute he is. He is adorable. So I'm doing a little experiment here. I put one of the plushies back inside the container with a little bit, just a tiny bit of the confetti. So let's see if we can pop it again, okay? Let's see. Oh, I think it works, you guys. And so this is fun. So maybe you can reuse these too. You could pour some of the confetti back in. So I'm gathering some of the confetti, and I'm going to put one of the plushies. And so this is Barney the Owl. He's volunteered. And let's put a little bit more confetti back in. Okay, so let's put the lid on. And let's see if we can do this all over again, because that means you can have more fun even after you open them. And so you ready? Yep. You can do these over and over again. I think this gets 5 stars for that. I really love that. Thank you, Barney, for volunteering. You are a great sport. Let's go ahead and introduce everyone again from left to right. We have Peapod the Seal, Nikki the Narwhal, Spoke the Penguin, Neeble the Octopus, and Barney the Owl. Barney the Owl. And so this is my honest opinion about Pikmi Pop surprises. I just really love these. I love that you can play with them over and over again. I love that you can store your little plushie inside of this little container. I love the little notes, the messages. And so I give Pikmi Pop surprises definitely 2 thumbs up and some applause. They definitely deserve the applause. So I hope you enjoyed this video. In the comments below, let me know what you think about Pikmi Pop surprises. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.